It's a Grilling King recipe that's fun for the whole family. We're grilling s'mores, baby. Hey, welcome into the Grilling King. I'm Ryan Brown. Thank you again for being with us on the Grilling King. We're gonna have fun today, and it's fun for the whole family. Your kids will love this recipe. We're doing s'mores. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, I don't have a campfire. You don't need a campfire. All you need is a hot grill, a little bit of foil, and a few ingredients, and you can do s'mores for the whole family. We're even gonna mix in some non-traditional ingredients like Fudge Stripe cookies, Reese's cups, but you traditionalists, hang with us. We got the Hershey Bar. You're not gonna be alone, all right? Before we get started, a quick reminder. You can follow us on all of our social media at Grilling King. At Grilling King is where you find us on social media. Please like us and follow us on social media and interact with us there as well. Send us some recipes. We'll try them right here on the Grilling King. And share with your friends too, please. Also, don't forget, thegrillingking.com is where you find out everything you need to know about us online, thegrillingking.com. And while you're around, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We greatly appreciate you doing that. All right, this is gonna be fun, easy, clean, and your whole family can get involved with this recipe. It's traditional and non-traditional s'mores. Let's get started. All right, what I've done here is pretty simple. I mean, there's no magic to this recipe, right? Everybody's made s'mores, or almost everybody's made s'mores. This is our traditional graham cracker on each end, 2 pieces of the Hershey, and 2 marshmallows. It's gonna melt, it's gonna be perfect. This is the non-traditional side. We've got a fudge stripe, top and bottom, and just 2 marshmallows in the middle. And then the Reese's cup is a little bit thicker, so we go with 1 of those and just the 2 marshmallows. Again, just do it to your taste. But once we have these done, all we do is just fold up the aluminum foil. It doesn't have to be tight. You just need it to be able to put it on the grill because you're gonna wanna check on them as you go. That's all we do. Now let's head to the grill. Okay, these will not take long at all. And as you can see, I am intentionally placing them away from the flame. Got my flame on one side, I'm gonna have these on the other. And they're just gonna be here for just a couple minutes, just hanging out until that chocolate gets nice and melty. All right, we're about 5 minutes in. Again, indirect heat is the key here. Let's open one of these up and see what we got. I don't even know which one. Oh, this appears to either be our Reese's or our chocolate. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's either the Reese's or the Hershey's. You'd have to take a bite to find out. I'm guessing it's the Hershey's, and it looks fantastic. Okay, our s'mores are off the grill. What we're gonna do is we're going to open these together and grade them. Full disclosure, this is the first time I had done the Fudge Stripe, so I'm not going to vouch for how it turned out. In fact, it's such a skinny cookie and it's such a hot fire, I really have serious doubts about it. So now that I've laid that groundwork, let's open these and see how they turned out. All right, so first up is the Fudge Stripe. Oh. Yeah, much like I had feared, it fell apart a little bit. We're gonna give that one an F. All right, up next is the Hershey. Oh yeah, now this is cooled a little bit, but look at that. Oh yeah, you see that? Plenty of chocolate in there. I mean, old school, it's hard to beat the old Hershey, right? Yeah, I think that, I mean, the Reese's is going to have to go to beat this one. I give that an A. All right, here's the Reese's cup. Ooh, okay, so here's what's happened. A lot of the chocolate melted away. We've still got some of it, but look, you've got that nice peanut butter that's still in there. You see that? If you like peanut butter, and of course chocolate, and of course marshmallow and some graham cracker, I think this may be the way to go. It's either this or the Hershey. Don't mess with the Fudge Stripe. I give this a B. All right, guys, so there you go. As the music legend Meatloaf once said, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. I think the way to go is the Hershey Bar, #1, Reese's Cup #2, and I'm just gonna say, either be super careful with the Fudge Stripe or don't mess with it at all. It's just too thin. All right, thanks for joining us for the Grilling King. Enjoy your s'mores. It's a great fall and winter treat. As always, follow us on social media at Grilling King. Visit thegrillingking.com, and please like and subscribe to this YouTube page. I'm gonna eat this Hershey right here, okay?